We spent the night on the banks of the Kunene River last night, and oh, the Epupa Falls, weren't they stunning? We had an amazing day yesterday. We learnt a lot about the Himba tribes. We saw them singing and dancing, loved the kids, the babies, had a great day yesterday. Today we are going towards Ruacana Falls, another set of falls, and we'll be driving most of the day along the Kunene River through Himba country. Should be a great day. But first we'll have another quick look at the falls.
Epupa Falls, and we found a lovely family-run bakery, and look at those bread rolls. They are delicious. If you could only smell them, beautiful. And then round here we have the young mechanics. The young mechanics in the oven. Oh yes, I'll go over to the oven. Okay. And then the oven is over here. Ah, that's a good size oven, isn't it? Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Nice little drive right on the banks of the Kunene River. And that's Angola on the other side. homestead over there with their goats, and there's water in this crossing, which is surprising. It's the first time we've seen water in a crossing. The kids are coming out.
Hello.
It's big, isn't it? It's bigger than the others. Must be the pretty goat.
Good stretch on him. He's determined I'm going to get the best food here.
It is, it's very pretty.
One of the guys at the campsite, I think 2 weeks ago, we were saying how came through a lot of the riverbeds were quite high. So like half a metre, 3/4 of a metre going through. So we've only found one so far with probably about a foot of water. So it's exceeded quite a bit.
Sorry lady, but we can't buy souvenirs. Up the mountain, and then you go down again to the river.
Nice good view of the river.
That is a nice view of the river. Look at that! The mighty Kunene River.
You couldn't be closer to the river.
These
The landslide into the river.
These trees are in the water, so it must still be quite high.
Yeah.
How long have you been on the road?
Just 1 month, but I've been traveling for years on bicycle before this. Took a break back home.
Okay. Where's home?
Back in California,
Okay.
Los Angeles.
Cool. So we met Nicholas on the road. Nicholas rides around on a bicycle with Fabio, who we met the other day. And then the Himba lady popped over as well to say hello. There's the river. It's slow going.
It's scenic.
But very scenic. That mountain on the other side's in Angola. It's been an interesting drive. It's more tribes people, lots more cow and goat herders, Himba people. Kids trying to stop us or slow us down, I'm not too sure.
So this road was impassable how long ago?
A couple of weeks ago you couldn't pass here because there was too much water. And now we've only gone through water once. That's how quickly it all dries out. Oh, little kid with no clothes on.
Here we go.
Should we give him a lolly? Hello.
Morrow. Morrow.
Shame. These kids wear loincloths.
Morrow.
Bye-bye. Been driving for 4.5 hours. We've only done what, 129 kilometers. Very slow going. We've probably got another half an hour to go. There's a little village over there. Like they were moving.
We're coming into Ruacana Falls. I'm going to go down a little bit, and there's in the distance you can see a dam wall, and there's a border post here to Angola. We're going to camp here for 1 or 2 nights, and then after that we'll visit Tosha National Park. Okay, we're pulling into a campsite.
2 waterfalls in one day. Wow.
No fences, no barriers, just a rock and a view. And what a view.
We spent the night on the banks of the Kunene River. The falls are over there. We are going to go and have another look at them today because they're so magnificent. We have to do it again. We stayed in a nice little house. It was quite hot, tin roof, and it started raining. And when it started raining, it was so noisy. So today we are leaving and we are going towards Etosha, and we are going to stay in a lodge just outside Etosha. Ruacana Waterfall on the border of Angola and Namibia. Just magnificent on the Kunene River. Look at that. Wow, that's just so magnificent. In the next video, we go to Etosha National Park, and I urge you to subscribe to my channel as we have some amazing sightings. She's after something. Do you see what's in front of us?
There's a zebra.
There's a zebra right there with the baby.